Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Philip Russell, and in today's video, we're going to be unboxing this beauty. Let's get started. Alright, so before we get started unboxing this, I'm going to set her to the side and show you guys what I have been working with since 2015. Is this guy right here, the mid 2015 MacBook Pro from Best Buy, which means it's not top of the line or anything. But as I've been working with this guy, it started to slow down, and we have the tendency to be like, you know, curse at it or beat on it. And when you get a new machine, to be like, all right, my new machine's here, let's just toss this out. But we got to sit down and realize, and this hit me yesterday. I was working on a project, waiting on this one to come in, and it was starting to freeze up and stuff, and I got to starting to get mad. But I was like, you know what? This has gotten me through every single project, almost every single project, since I started my business. Let's not be so hasty to chunk our machine, but to retire the machine that got us to where we are today gracefully. You have gotten me to where I am today, and I appreciate it. So let's get started on what this video was supposed to be today. To fit in with my business's logo and color palette, I decided to get the yellow, and I think I'm not going to be disappointed. So without further ado, let's open her up. So I'm going to pull the tab, the glorious Apple tab. That's so satisfying, by the way. While I'm opening this, I want to give you the specs because I don't want to bore you. You can see all the specs. I got the 8-core upgraded 16 gigabyte version. Oh my gosh. I only got 512 because I'm not going to pay those awful prices. Sorry, Apple, I'm not that big of a fanboy for that SSDs. So I got the 512 gigabyte version, and I'm so excited. I got the mouse and trackpad package with the Touch ID Magic Keyboard. So let's do this, shall we? Oh my gosh! Can y'all see that? Oh my gosh, it's gold! Yes! So bougie. Let's see. Oh. I'm not gonna have any room to set this. I'm gonna set this to the side for a second. Can we take a second and just appreciate Apple's packaging? This is awesome. I'm going to use this as a case now. Like, this is a box. I keep all my boxes. I'm that type of a fanboy. I keep every single box that I have from Apple. I'm going to keep this box forever. All right, got our accessories. We have the power cable with Ethernet. We have the little pamphlet. Oh my gosh, I want to see these pictures, these stickers in person. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at that. Those are awesome. Especially this one. This one's okay, but this one's really gold, so. We have the extension power cable. There it is. It has that new Mac smell. Like, they need to make a candle. New Mac smell. Make it happen, Apple, I'll buy it.
Gosh, it smells so lovely.
Put that over there. That's great. Now I saw the blue one, like I said, at Best Buy, and the blue kind of blended into, like, it looked like a silver to me, at least in the lighting. But this is no mistaken. Gold, kind of like a gold mustard color. And of course the keyboard has the Touch ID. And I love the new keyboard. I just found that out again at Best Buy. I tried the one that was over on the 27-inch 2020 model, and I don't know, I didn't like that one, but this one, it's really clicky. I love that they include a USB-C to lightning cable. That's awesome, and it's braided in the same color. So that's a cool little plus that they put in there. And now, I have never used one of these, so I'm so excited. This is a new thing for me. The magic trackpad. Oh man, I just love how every angle just glistens gold. Oh, it feels good. Little ASMR. Oh yeah, there's a little logo on there. I don't know if you can see that. All right, so. Oh, no. I can't believe I almost forgot. I know everybody uses it. I've been using the Magic Mouse since I don't have one of these. The Magic Mouse. There it is. That still looks good too though. Probably won't be using it as often now since I got the trackpad, but it's cool to have the custom color. And now for the main event. Dramatic music. What does it look like? I can't see the back. Oh yes! Look, pick it up. Oh my gosh. I didn't think I'd be so excited for a yellow computer. There we go. We'll peel it this way. Man, I love that. I guess I'm not as efficient at it as like I just seen or whatever in one peel. Man, that is so good. Now we're gonna do the front. I, for one, I am a fan of the white bezel. It says hello, bonjour, hola, konnichiwa. I know a few. I even like the pastel color yellow. That's so weird that I would like this. It has new microphones and it has a 1080p webcam. It has a 4.5K screen. And of course the specs that I said earlier in the video. I got the upgraded model. It swivels just up and down, not side to side. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna make sure that mine isn't the ones that are cockeyed. I've seen those articles. She's pretty level. Ooh, it is really lightweight. Like, I mean, it has some heft to it, but you could knock it over. That would be so sad if you waited all this time to get your machine and it was like tilted to the side, like, and then you had to send it back and wait. So there you have it, guys. That was the unboxing of the yellow 24-inch iMac from Apple. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Hit that little notification down there so you don't miss any one of my uploads. Welcome to the Philosopher family. We do everything here from unboxings to cinematic vlogs, wedding films, and behind the scenes videos of what I do professionally. So just remember, spread love, not hate. When life gets blurry, adjust your focus. And until next time, peace. So yeah guys, there it is, the unboxing of the brand new 24-inch iMac. Wait, I'm not ready to do that yet. She's sitting over there like, excuse me, the main event is sitting over here. I even like, hold on, how do I want to say this? The unboxing, if you liked it, make sure you give it a, if you like this video, hold on. So there you go guys, that was the unboxing of the new Apple, yeah. So there you have it. So there you have it guys. Hit that bell down in the bottom so you don't get, oh my gosh. I think I'm gonna start with the behind the scenes of my personal photographer.